I am going to buy new shoes. Today, I woke up with a burst of energy. Today, I woke up with a burst of energy. I looked at my old sneakers and they were worn out. I looked at my old sneakers and they were worn out. I thought it was time to buy a new pair. I thought it was time to buy a new pair. I dressed swiftly and with enthusiasm. I dressed swiftly and with enthusiasm. After a quick breakfast, I complied a list of my preferences. After a quick breakfast, I complied a list of my preferences. I grabbed my keys and set off to the store. I grabbed my keys and set off to the store. The weather was ideal for a shopping spree. The weather was ideal for a shopping spree. I entered a shoe boutique. I entered a shoe boutique. I was greeted by an array of styles on display. I was greeted by an array of styles on display. I began experimenting with various pairs. I began experimenting with various pairs. Some shoes felt too snug. Some shoes felt too snug. Others were excessively loose. Others were excessively loose. I discovered a pair that was just right. I discovered a pair that was just right. I examined them from every angle. I examined them from every angle. I checked them to get feel for them. I checked them to get feel for them. I decided to make a purchase. I decided to make a purchase. I completed the transaction at the register. I completed the transaction at the register. I exited the store with a beaming smile. I exited the store with a beaming smile. I was eager to debut my new shoes. I was eager to debut my new shoes. I couldn't wait to flaunt them. I couldn't wait to flaunt them. Thanks for watching.